What if you could create a full YouTube video without editing, without camera, and without any experience? In this video, I'll show you a complete step-by-step method using AI. Most beginners get stuck because video creation feels complicated. Editing software, scripting, voiceovers, it's overwhelming. So they either delay or quit before even starting. But today, I'll show you a simple workflow where AI handles most of the work and you just focus on the idea. Start with a simple idea, something people are searching for. Example: how to think like a programmer, how to study coding faster. Use AI to generate your script. Keep it simple and structured. Now, instead of using complicated editing software, you can use a tool like InVideo. It lets you turn your script into a full video with visuals, voiceover, and transitions automatically. Once your video is ready, export it and upload directly to YouTube. For example, you can just paste your script, choose a style, and the AI builds the video for you. If you want to try this tool, I've added the link in the description. You can check it out. If this helped you, consider subscribing. I'll be sharing more simple and practical AI workflows like this.